So hello guys, welcome to another Call of Duty mobile video. In this video we'll be looking to the season 13 changes have been done in this Call of Duty game, and we will be testing the Fennec Akimbo Park in season 13. I already have this gun, but I never used in ranked and multiplayer matches because I knew this gun was very much OP, and if I start using this I'll be losing all my skills. Yeah, I'll be getting more kills, but I'll be losing my skills. Okay, so I think now it has been nerfed and now we can really use this gun. So we'll be testing out that thing, and first let's look out how the layout has been changed here. The nice background music is playing, the snow theme. Let's check out the new draw. This is a holiday redux draw, but I'm not going to purchase a single thing in this draw because yeah, these two guns are popular, but I will not be purchasing this because I don't like the death effect that they have changed it, and also this emote. So all the things are there, we'll be talking about in separate video. For the event section we have featured event like 3 matches, 10 matches from holiday raid playlist. I guess we have a new okay, what is this sticker? Oh, this looks cool. Okay, so a lot of things are there. In seasonal event I think this is still the same. Yeah, it's still the same. The daily as a login viewer, this is interesting actually. As a login viewer you'll be getting this character on day 24. Okay, this character you already have seen, but okay, this character is nice. And as well as daily missions, I mean, let's check the crate. Wow, wow, these two characters looks very good actually. So if you are lucky, you can get this crate opening daily, and you can maybe uh, grip on those two things. I mean, really the skins are very good. Okay, so that's it, I guess. Yeah, in battle royale, the battle royale background is still the same. Alcatraz is still there, but I don't think it will be long enough. I really don't know about that right now. Else what is changed? Let's 1 minute, just checking the vehicle. You were telling that there will, yeah, so there is a snowboard vehicle now. This looks good. I don't know, I don't have it unlocked, I guess right now. Is it unlocked here? Okay, so that means you will be getting it for free. Nice. And any new first trick, hacker, repeater, airborne, smoke bomber. Yeah, this Verdo, the steel turret has come. Nice, all good. So I think that's all. The video is getting pretty long, I know, but I am also very much excited about the season 13, and I was keenly waiting for this because last time we, like, it was a long gap out there. So in featured mode we can see that rapid fire is there, the raid holiday has come, and winter pop hunt. This is kind of a hide and seek game. So we'll be testing out raid holiday with Fennec Akimbo, and we'll be testing out if for, I hope Akimbo Park is there. Yeah, Park Akimbo is there. Let's check out how much they have nerfed it, and if you are like me who were not using this gun because this gun was like very much OP, but right now I guess it's playable, you can use it. So let's check. So this gun and HVK 30, both the guns, I mean, I loved HVK 30, but I also stopped using it with this Fennec. Now I guess I can use it finally because I have this mythic gun, and it was pretty bad that I couldn't use this gun. I mean, I wasn't using this gun, but right now I'll be, yeah, I can use it sometimes because I love this theme, the gun and the character. No matter how much hate they get, but still.
Take it easy, you have me on your side.
I think the range has been nerfed and damage too. Oh, I forgot to see the stats. So whatever, let's play and see what we go through. Let's try a long range. No, the enemy is killed. Okay. And you can see this new theme. Snow everywhere. Christmas theme is looking good actually. Oh, this is prank. I'm sorry guys. Oh, I think I'll die. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, the damage has been nerfed, I guess. Earlier, like within a blink of an eye, enemy would be dead. Right now, this is not the case. Where are the enemies, man? I want to check this gun. What is this? Okay, we will check the gun. Let's check the thing here. I wish we could have opened this gift. This song is playing here. Oh, 5 kill streak, man. We are winning. All of the bots are here, I guess. 39-1. Yeah, you can see. It is taking a pretty long time to kill the enemy right now. So it has been, see how much time it is taking. Yeah, pretty long time, and the range has been nerfed too. So there was a time when in ranked matches Fennec Akimbo and HVK were dominating. It won't be anymore. Oh my god, again I'll die. No! I died. The music is pretty nice. Christmas theme. Okay, we are enjoying the music, but there is a guy who is in 10 kill streak. I think he is from our team. So see, the range has also been nerfed. The reloading time, it has also been increased, and they have destroyed the gun. Only if you have ample amount of ammo in your gun, only then it will be OP, otherwise not. Okay, someone is inbound the veto. Oh, he's trying to kill me again. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just want to let you know, like, this Fennec Akimbo has been nerfed quite bad now, and it is not that OP gun anymore. So yes, stop complaining about Fennec Akimbo users, and because right now if you start losing, that means this is your fault. Okay, so whatever guys, take care. I hope you like my contents. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like it, and just subscribe to my channel. I mean, this is like my 6th video or 5th video, I guess. So I'll be coming more and more contents. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Hope you have a great Christmas and enjoy the season 13. It will be great, I guess. Yeah. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.